Let's take a look at Victorinox nail clippers. Again, these are nail clippers that are quite unique. It even comes with a small screwdriver. It also comes with a small pouch, and costs around 560 rupees or so, or around $10 or so, which is a bit pricey for a nail clipper, but for that you get a quality stainless steel nail clipper that should last for quite a few days or years. Again, this is how it looks, and just fold it to close it, and when it's closed, it's really compact, so that it's easy to carry and store. To use it, just open it, and it springs into action, as you can see, and that's how it works. And this is how you use it. I think because of the design, there is less chance of cutting more of the finger nail than you need to, so that's a plus for the design. And that's the nail file, and on the edge of it you can use that as a screwdriver. I think they just needed to add one more tool. I think just as a nail filer and nail clipper, it's very unique and has a very nice design. And this is how it compares with a regular nail cutter or nail clipper. As you can see, it's really thin side on when it's closed. Even when it's opened, it's really slim and nice to use. Because I think of the Victorinox quality, I think this should last sharper much longer than the regular ones. Still a little bit pricey, but I think you will more than make up for it in years to come. Nice one. Check it out.